Hey guys, my name is Yuree and I am going to be showing you how I do my daytime makeup. I hope you enjoy my video and yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start my makeup application, which of course usually starts with the foundation. I like to use Shiseido. I like to just use the sponge that it came with and I just lightly dab it on. It smells really nice too, and it's just a light, breathable foundation. Almost complete. I like to smooth out the areas around my lips. You don't want that cakey ring around your lips. And then I just smooth it out over here into my hairline. I don't really like using the sponge too close to my hair or the makeup tends to get on my hair and then I look like I have white hair. So, and for my bronzer, I'm gonna use Tarte OFD1. Is that it? Anyways, it's called, I don't think that's it. I just wanted to deepen certain parts of my face so my face looks like that perfect oval shape, which is ideal in makeup. So here I have this brush. I'm using a Dior brush. I usually just tap it on to it and then I tap it just because I don't want the extra powder to be spread all over my face. And I'll lightly just at this angle like this, I place it onto my face where I want it to be contoured. And I usually like to bring out my cheekbones, use small brush strokes and just keep going in the angle that I placed it. Then if you notice this side of the cheek, it looks more in, like I lost some weight, and this side, if you can tell, is bigger, my natural look. I also like to place it right here, especially because my face is so round. I like to do these angles right by my cheeks and right by my chin. So I like to kind of contour this part too right here. I'm gonna get the same brush, tap it. I don't want it to be too dark and you don't want like a thick line over here, so I usually tend to turn it around and just kind of slightly use the pointed angle and brush it down all the way to the tip of my nose. Now, after I do my contouring, I like to highlight areas that I want to pop out more because then it defines your face shape even more. And I love defining my face shape because it makes your face look so much better even if you don't do anything else. My Chanel highlighter, this one is called Les Beiges. I don't know how to Les Beiges. So here I'm gonna place it now on my forehead and just brush it on like that lightly. And then I like to squish my brushes in certain angles depending on where I'm trying to put it, and I'm trying to put it right above the area that I place the bronzer, and I just do it really lightly like this over here. And again, I'm tapping it, and I just like to have a little bit of the eyebrow. I like to meet where I last placed this above my contouring line. I like to put a little bit on my chin too, so it looks like these areas are just like kind of coming out, and if you take a picture you can really tell the difference. And then I like to do on top of my nose, so like that. My eyebrows, I like to use this Uemura pencil. It really when I was doing makeup in Korea, this they use the Uemura pencil a lot, and I noticed that it doesn't come out really dark and you can just make it darker as you go. I have my eyebrows tattooed, so it's much easier for me to go in and shade in. I like to just lightly place it on using little like hair-like strokes. And then I just like to follow where my hair, if my hair is going this way, I like to go that way. If my hair is going this way, I like to mark it in that way. And you see how it doesn't have such a harsh line. Now it just looks very natural. For eyebrow hairs, I know they go in different directions sometimes. So I'll use this Etude House. See how I just dipped it once, pulled it out, and then I just kind of wiped all the excess into it, so you're not using too much. It just has like a light layer on, and then I use it almost like a glue and then to color my brows in nicely, I just use it and lift it to where I want to place my brow hairs. If you get a little thing like that, you can just swipe that off real quick like that with your fingers, and then just use your compact to fill it in again. And now my brows are done. My sister told me about this Ardell Wispies, and I really like them, and they're really easy to use and reusable. They last a really long time. I have my eyeline tattooed already, so I don't really do eyeliner, especially not in the daytime. I just put my Wispies on. So my sister Jen also told me about this glue. Is really good. It comes out black. It's, you know, it doesn't go white on your eyes. So I like to use the end of the little in a cardboard. I just put some on there, just squeeze some onto there. I use my little toothpick, my wooden toothpick, and I like to just grab some of the glue onto the tip of it, and I'll just smooth it on onto the area, just lightly blow on it a little bit, maybe leave it out for 20 seconds just so it gets a little bit more dry but sticky, like, you know, gum like, so that you can place it on your eye and it won't be moving around. And here I'm just placing it right on top of my lash line. There. I'll just let it dry for a little while. Always have some wet tissues nearby so you can wipe off any of the glue that gets onto your finger from fixing your lashes. This right side is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my left side. I usually fasten the back first and then slowly fasten the middle and then to the front. Place it on like that. Yeah. Now I just like to look in the mirror so that I know that the lashes are flaring up this evenly on both sides. It's a lash curler from Uemura. These are really good for Asian people. Make sure my real eyelashes are, you know, matching up with my fake lashes, because you don't want like this look. You want it both like this. So I like to gently make sure I get the fake lashes with my real lashes, and I'll gently just give it a little squeeze here. Here. And there's like a little part of my real lashes that are a little bit low, but I'll get that with mascara. You get this with the other side. Place all of it in. Don't make sure you get it all in because you don't want it to look weird. It'll start looking like a piano keyboard. And just slightly press a few times. Eyelash curler part is done. I really like them. It makes your real lashes look really long even if you don't have fake lashes on. Now I'm gonna use the Dior Show. If you notice, it's not clumpy, you know, so it's nice to put on. I just like to slightly place it on my real lashes and the fake ones. So next, I like to take my Tarte. It makes your eyes look a little bit like baby eyes. So I like to place it a little bit of this champagne type color under my eyes. And it just brings my under eye out. So I look more baby-like. And you see how it brings it out? It looks like I got like some type of Korean injections to bring this bottom part out. Do my blush. I'm gonna use Dior. It's kind of more of like a plum color. Tap, tap, tap. And just slightly. I don't want too much, but just a little bit. Then I'll go in with my highlighter brush. Just blend the top. With my contouring brush, I'll blend it. Now usually I'll put some type of lip. I don't have mine today. I usually like more natural colors, so sometimes I'll just use lip balm. You don't want your lips looking all cracking, chappy when the rest of your face looks good. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my daytime makeup tutorial video. Have a great day. Bye.